Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to be sharing this topic that I know a lot of YouTubers struggle with. I'm curious about how fellow YouTubers feel about this subject. Do you guys ever get to a point where you feel like you're done with content, or your mind cannot create, or your mind cannot come up with ideas of what you want to talk about? Or maybe your channel, you're still not sure what your niche is going to be. It's like you've dabbed on this and dabbed on this and dabbed on this, and nothing seems to be the thing. Even though you're successful in your own way, you're getting views, you're getting subscribers, but you feel like you're not quite there. I'm in that space right now. So for the last 1 week, I've just been sitting down trying to hammer down what this channel is going to be about. And that's why I'm here today, to ask for your input. What do you think this channel should be about? What do you benefit the most from what we discuss or what I talk about? What do you feel would be a path that I would take that would be of most value to you? You, my subscriber, you, my diligent watcher, I am almost 6 months in, and I'm getting to that space where I really need to identify what my niche is going to be so that I can get focused on that content that's going to be beneficial to you, my audience. So help me out. Let me know what you think this channel should be about, what questions you want me to answer, how you want this channel to morph into. And with that, yesterday we celebrated Canada Day, and I went out with my family to watch some fireworks, which I thought were incredible. And I said, what a better way to give you something to watch and get into the Canadian spirit. This following clip is of the fireworks that we watched on Canada Day that I just wanted to share with you. Boom. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was amazing. I'm hoping and looking forward for next year's fireworks. And so next year, I'm thinking we're going to go to a small town about 2 hours away. I've been told they've doubled their budget for fireworks. They did that this year, and I'm hoping it's going to be even triple next year. So next year, we're going to go to Cold Lake, which is not too far from here, and we're going to enjoy the fireworks over there. That's my plan, and I'm praying that it happens because I know there are a lot of things that happen within a year, so I'm hoping that will be it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.